The Minho region in the north of Portugal maintains traditions that have been lost in many parts of Europe. The local gastronomy is intimately linked to the local landscapes, including terraced fields with dry stone walls, abundant vineyards used to make exquisite Vinho Verde wines, free-range livestock that roams the valleys and mountains, fresh fish and shellfish, and farmers' markets brimming with fresh produce. To pay tribute to the region's rich culinary traditions and to stimulate new, innovative approaches, the Minho Young Chef Awards selects a young chef to represent the region. This year's winner is Rui Pedro Meira from Viana do Castelo. He's proposed a new approach to one of the region's most emblematic dishes, a meat and rice dish called arroz de serrabulho.
Arroz de serrabulho is a typical dish from Minho, and I wanted to give it a little twist.
Rui believes that local culinary traditions are key to local identity.
Here in Minho we have a strong connection with the countryside, and a lot of our dishes come from these connections. Fialho de Almeida, a Portuguese writer, said, povo que defende os seus pratos tradicionais defende o seu território. This is a dish that shows our way to be, because we try always to use all we have.
The traditional arroz de serrabulho dish uses different cuts of meat, such as beef, pork and chicken, mixed with rice and complemented by various seasonings. As a student at the Hotel and Tourism School of Viana do Castelo, Rui has developed a new twist to this dish. It includes rice paper rolls, crispy rice, small onions cooked in olive oil and butter, rice cooked in the meat stock, meat terrine, mousse, and fresh aromatic herbs. Presentation is key to the final effect.
What I try to do is keep the flavors of the traditional dish, and just change a little bit the presentation. And now we finish with a sauce of serrabulho. We try to put a little bit of all the sauce in all the ingredients. This is our plate. Here in the Minho, after a good food and wine, you like to dance. Thanks for watching.